Hi, Shauna. Okay, so I'm looking at your work. These scans are too dark. In a portfolio class, you should know this by now, that if your photograph or your scans are kind of dark, there's not a lot of contrast, you need to take it into Photoshop and adjust the brightness and contrast. So, without reading your descriptions, I'm looking at these sketches and I can see, I don't know what this is, maybe a gum pack or something. And then this is a nice, really great idea, real fun thing. People think it's a lighter, but it's really your name. I like that idea. And this is a lovely leave behind idea as well. So let me zoom in and read the description. So those are good sketches. It's too bad that they're so dark like that. You just need to um, present them better. Folding flower. I think you spelled palette wrong. And there's no period on the sentence. Same with the other ones. Okay, perforated removable business cards on each page. That's a nice idea too. So they're all good ideas. Your presentation is not great. All right, so you want to work on that. If you're going to be a graphic designer, that is everything. It really is. Good dimension too. Let me know if you have any questions.